Hey guys, welcome to Gallup Gardens. If you are in America and you're homesteading or you're gardening, you are using cowl panels. And if you're not, you absolutely should. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy 3-step process to load them in the back of your truck.
Hey Dad.
This is so easy that with you and the help of the tractor supply guy or whoever's loading it, you can do it, just 2 people. We have 3 cowl panels in here, and these are very long. I think they're 30 feet long, maybe. All right. Okay guys, step 1 is you want to stick that cowl panel in the corner of your truck right there. Okay. And then what I do is I just walk it back and start bending it in. Just walking it in. Okay. So that's step 2 right there. Just bending it in. And step 3, once you've got it situated the way you want, is simply folding this end in right here. And that lets you shut your truck. Uh-oh. There we go. And that's going to let you shut your tailgate. There it is. It's too easy. So what's great about it is it doesn't fly out. It doesn't lay over your truck and do the wobble thing and mess up your paint or any of that kind of stuff. It just fits nice and easy. No need to tie it down. None of that. So you just stick it in the corner, walk it in, bend it around. 3 steps, too easy. And for more great videos on how we're using cowl panels for arbors and growing vertical with our raised beds to save more space, just check out this video right here.